Part 2 frontal wig install. Don't be like me and tie your melt band so tight. Next, I'm using a lace melt spray from the Frontal Queen. Literally my favorite product, and I'm just gonna tie that down again. Honestly, the key to a great install is just melting and melting and melting. After removing the melt band, I'm just going in with the hot comb all across the hairline. Don't mind me stuffing my face, your girl was on her way out and you know I gotta eat before I drink my liquor. Now using a smaller brush, I'm just going in again with the Ruby Kisses foundation just to tint the lace, and now I'm cleaning off my forehead with some rubbing alcohol. I did my makeup off camera because I was on my way out. Now for the fun part, the actual styling part. Here I'm just pulling out where I want my baby hairs to lay on both sides. Now I'm just twisting the baby hairs out of the way. Don't mind the front of my lace, we're gonna deal with that at the end. This is what hairstylists mean when they say thin lace only, because that's what's gonna get you the best results when it comes to installing your wig. After using the hot comb, I'm just going in all along the hairline with some Gots to Be spray, because for the style that I'm going for, I'm not going to be having a parting. I'm just gonna have everything kind of pushed back and flipped over. Now I'm tweezing the baby hair section as I need the section to be a little bit thinner. Now I'm cutting my baby hairs in like a diagonal motion. Then I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side and my side bands, pluck and cut. Now using a small flat iron, I'm going to curl my baby hairs. I'm curling mine underneath. Curling the baby hairs actually helps them to lay better. Now using a little bit of mousse and some Gots to Be spray, I'm now swooping my baby hairs. I repeat the same thing on the other side. I'm now adding foundation around the area where I parted for the baby hairs. Now to melt the front of the lace, I used the tail end of the comb with some of the black ebon spray, and I pressed down whilst using a blow dryer to help to melt the lace. I'm now using the melting spray again, and I'm going behind the parting of the baby hairs as well as the front of the lace, adding a little bit more of the spritz. This time around, I'm going to tie the front of the hairline down with a wrap strip and a pair of tights, as this is what's going to help to remove the shine. For the final results, head over to part 3.